First, geography topic classification of resources. The resources are classified on the basis of origin, exhaustibility, ownership, and state of development. On the basis of exhaustibility, the classification is done into two categories, which are renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be used again and again or can be replaced by physical, mechanical, and chemical processes. Example is air, water, soil, or solar energy. Non-renewable resources are those resources which can't be replaced at all or are used within a reasonable time. Example fossil fuels like oil, gas, coal, etc. Classification on the basis of origin is done into biotic and non-abiotic resources. Biotic resources are those resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life and are living. Example forest, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources are those resources which are composed of living, non-living things. Example are land, water, iron, bauxite, etc. On the basis of ownership, the resources are divided into four categories. Individual resources are those resources which are owned by private individual, example plot, field, etc. Community owned resources are those resources which are accessible or are owned by all the members of community, example park, playground, etc. National resources are those resources which are under the control of state or union government. International resources are those resources which are owned and regulated by international institutes. On the basis of state of development, the potential resources are those resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized due to lack of capital, technology, or other reasons. Developed resources are those resources which are surveyed and their quality, quantity have been determined for utilization. Stock are those material in the environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs but could not be used by human beings appropriate due due to appropriate technology to convert into usable form. Thank you.